Damn, 650 is nice. Probably 650 is probably my favorite. This thing. Look what we have here. That's nice. Damn, Mexico Blue. You know the 992 is better. Not 992. Damn, in Mexico Blue.
You know what? They gotta run this thing quick.
This is probably the best thing I've seen here so far. Just saying. Oh, TT?
That's a nice one.
Ooh.
Appreciate that family all the time. Hey. He might know. Oh, big kitties. Appreciate the best. Appreciate the cheer.
C8, you see those all the time? Hey, look, wait, it's Ace Spade. We see them all the time. Dang. Ooh, R8. Wait, no, this looks more Mexico Blue than the other car did.
Yeah.
So was the other one Miami and this is Mexico?
Possibly, yeah.
Or is that like something different, like Shark, whatever blue or...
C8 or 6.
We see this one all the time. Bro, another R8. Wait, Domino's Pizza Delivery. That's nice. Honestly. Another R8. This is like the third or fourth R8.
I said that earlier when it was R8. I said it was a bird comment.
This thing's nice.
Got a D8 Vantage. Got an appetite. We got that bird.
Look at this lineup. And an R30. Oh my, look at the R35. Dang. That's crazy back there.
Provide the vibes.
That's nice.
11:02. We stream it live on. We got ya.
Dang, and a GT3 RS. This thing looks crazy. This looks good. This one?
Yeah, for sure. Last year.
This purple looks like the one I did in GTA. What's it called? I forget the name of the one I did in GTA. I used to know the name. I got it off of the... I got it off the GTA Color website. Mine's a little more like matte looking, I think, as well. Dang, this is nice. All carbon, Senna. Bro, there's so many just black and orange. That's what I noticed.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Up to you. Yeah, I heard one rev and then done. Lego Center, that's sick. What was this? Peach Bellini? Yeah. And then you got Oreo. This is fire. Dang, S2K. Second best thing I've seen here. Nice, S2K. Brown, all blacked out. I don't say this is Mexico Blue.
What? Is it nice?
No, it's something else.
It's closer to Mexico.
Because Mexico Blue is the first one we saw.
London.
This is nice. Carbon fiber hood. What? Okay, I don't like the wheel, like the color choice, but I like the car color, but if the wheels were silver, it'd be better. Oh, I like the interior, how it's white. Dang. The interior is nice, all white. Or like a cream color. What?
This would be sick to hear start up.
Why is this just all the way over here? Just tucked away back here. Oh, it's just a motorcycle. Dang, Aventador. Oh yeah, this is one we saw earlier. The SCJ we saw earlier. GT500 with carbon fiber wheels. Dang. Dang, this GT3RS is sick. Has a green roll cage as well in it. If only these came in manual. Right, so this parking lot's like 90% Porsches. I mean, not a bad thing, but Turbo S, GT3. So many. This was, wait, I like the red accents on this.
This is like, a lot of them are like white and orange. I think white and red and gray and red. Like from back.
I like the red accents, it's nice on this GT3.
This is the 997. With a huge.
Dang.
Regular 997.
Once again, welcome. Everybody join us.
GT4 better than GT3?
2023. My name is Fingelistic. I got
Nice GT4. Prairies are nice too, but damn. Oh, look over here is TT, newer model, but it's all right. I like the color, Nardo gray. Ha, just some probably. Oh no, I guess they own this car. I was gonna say a customer car, but yeah, it's probably for sale. WRX, I'd totally buy one. Manual too, I would totally buy one.